Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have this beautiful facial kit from Pond's and this is their charcoal anti-pollution facial kit. The brand was kind enough to send me this kit and along with this facial kit I have one more. So the other kit that I have received is this vitamin brightening facial kit for spotless bright skin, and this is how this facial kit looks like. So I got these two facial kits, and in today's video I'm gonna try this one particularly because I think my skin is in need of this facial kit, and I'll tell you why. So as you all know, wedding season is still going on and I think I received this product at the right time. So why not to do facial at home, because I know this year is like that, because most of us, like, we are afraid of going out or going to some salon for a facial. Even I'm afraid of going to some salon and get a facial done for me. So that is why I'm gonna try this home facial kit from Pond's, and this is how this facial kit looks like. And now why I'm gonna use this facial kit rather than this one. So you all know after Diwali there is a lot of pollution all around, and this facial kit particularly will help to detoxify skin. That is what my skin needs the most right now, and I really love charcoal for my skin. So yes, I mean, this is going to be the first impression and let's see how it turns out to be. So everything that I'm gonna do is in front of you all, no fooling around. The results will be in front of you, so make sure you watch this video till the end to compare what it has done to my skin, like before and after sort of thing. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get to the video. So first, I really want to take a moment to appreciate the packaging of this product. See, first of all, everything is written over here, if you can see, like all the steps and how to do these steps, the time you need for these steps, everything is written over here. And once you open this box, you get this sort of packaging. Like if you can see, there is 6 tubes inside. Okay, now this facial is a 6-step process. If you can see, these are 6 tubes, and I really love the fact about their packaging that they have given this sort of packaging, like tube sort of packaging, which comes really in handy, and it is very travel friendly. Because I have seen so many facial kits like which are 1-time or 2-time use, even 3-time use. I have seen them. The product comes in some sachets, which is like a total waste, because once you use it, either you have to use it like the fullest or you have to throw the remaining product, because you can't just cut on the sachet and take out whatever product you need and remaining you can just keep it like this. No, you should not do this because it may react to your skin or do something. So I really love this kind of packaging. Like, I'm sorry, like whatever amount you need, just take it and then close it, and you can keep it for a month or 2 or 3, like for the next time. And now let me quickly tie up my hair and let's do the facial, and I'm really excited. Yes, okay, now so I have nothing on my face right now, nothing, just this lip balm, that's it. And I haven't washed my face, though you have to do facial on clean face, but I haven't washed my face because it has the first step. If you can see here, the step number 1 is face wash. So yes, that doesn't make any difference. I'll do it right now. Now this is the step number 1, which is the Pond's charcoal face wash, and it is very cute. Now this face wash contains vitamin E apart from charcoal, which removes surface impurities. And basically this is Pond's anti-pollution face wash with activated carbon. This formula removes the impurities and pollution particles, and all you need to do is just wet your face, create lather, gently massage onto your face and neck for around a minute or so, and then just rinse it off with plain water. It really feels like my skin is feeling light. This is what I feel after the step number 1. And now let's move on to the step number 2, which is scrub, of course. Now step number 2 is Pond's pollution off scrub. Now this scrub is enriched with walnut shell powder, which helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and removes excess oil. Now how do you have to do it? Apply this scrub all over the face, massage gently in upward and outward circular movements for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Use water if needed and be very soft and gentle with the strokes. Once you are done, just rinse it off with the plain water. Walnut is a truly amazing exfoliator. Feels very relaxing on skin. Okay, right now, I don't know whether this camera is doing justice or not. I can clearly see that change in my skin on my face. I don't know whether you can see or not, but definitely it does make a difference. Now step number 3 is this Pond's Nourishing Cream. So this Nourishing Cream is the Pond's Revitalizing Cream. It is enriched with vitamin B3 and vitamin E, which hydrates your skin. Now all you have to do is apply this nourishing cream all over the face and neck. Massage deeply with fingertips till it gets absorbed. You can do it for around 2 to 3 minutes, that's it. So skin is truly feeling hydrated and you can still see this glow on my face. So yes, this is like really nourishing and so hydrating. Now step number 4 is this massage cream. So this massage cream is the Pond's Deep Massage Cream. It is enriched with glycerin. It moisturizes your skin to give you a healthy glow. Now all you need to do is take this cream on your fingertips and apply it all over the face and neck. Massage with light circular upward strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. Use water if needed. Wipe off with moist cotton. This is the most important step in facial. It improves your blood circulation, it lifts up your skin and it makes your skin looks healthy and glowing. Alright, now skin is feeling so soft, so supple and so hydrated. You can see it looks so plump as well. Now let's move on to the step number 5, which is a peel off mask. Okay, so I haven't tried peel off mask for like quite a long time. Okay, so its texture is like a little runny. Now this Pond's charcoal peel off mask is enriched with bamboo charcoal, which helps removing blackheads to brighten up your skin. All you need to do is apply this mask in a thin even layer all over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes to let it dry. Peel off from the forehead in a downward direction towards the chin and wash off your face. Now step number 6 is this finishing cream from Pond's. Now this finishing cream from Pond's is the Pond's Pollution Protect Cream. It helps protect from pollution and restore glow. All you need to do is take the cream on your fingertips and gently apply it all over your face and neck. Now this is a very thick cream but feels so cool and so calming on face. Alright guys, now I'm done with the full facial with all the 6 steps and I can clearly see the difference. Can you? Like, totally, I am really loving this kit. Like, it is super affordable guys. Like, it retails for rupees 300. Like 300 and all these 6 steps with this glow. You can use it for around 4 to 5 times. The quantity is that good. You know how much product I have used on my face. Yes, if the camera is truly doing the justice, you can see how glowy my skin is looking right now. It feels so soft and so healthy. Totally loving the results of this kit and I am eager to try this one too. So if you want to know, then please follow me on Instagram. I will make an IGTV of this product. And now that's a wrap. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any other query or recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below and I will see you in my next video.